Good evening. Cornwall joined the fight against coronavirus today as the rollout of vaccinations began at the Royal Cornwall Hospital in Truro. The first two people to receive the vaccine were a mother and daughter, both care home workers in Falmouth.
Vaccinations also took place today in Yeovil and Dorset. The first to receive them are care home staff and residents, people aged 80 and over, and frontline NHS workers, as Grace Pascoe reports.
This is a momentous day for Cornwall, with this mother-daughter pair kicking off the Duchy's Covid-19 vaccination programme. Donna and Erin McKinnon, who both work at Roscarrock Care Home in Falmouth, are hoping this will be a turning point after the toughest of years.
It's really emotional. We were one of the first care homes in Cornwall to be hit, and we had 6 residents, 9 of our staff were quite poorly. Luckily, all 6 residents came through it, and that was just with the care and love that they were given at that time by the carers in Roscarrock. Myself and my manager were really poorly, and I actually had a spell in here at the time. It's taken us a long time to get back on our feet, so yeah, today's really important. This, I hope, will be a real turning point for families and everybody to start coming together again.
It feels good that hopefully we can go back to being normal sometime soon. It felt like the flu jab, it didn't hurt at all. It's in the top of your arm, so it's straight in your muscles, so I didn't really feel it. And I'm petrified of needles.
NHS staff here in Cornwall have today become a part of the biggest immunisation programme in history.
I'm feeling great relief and very proud of the team, of what they've achieved over the last few weeks. They've been working so hard to get this up and running, not just within the hospital but also our partners in social care, in healthcare across Cornwall, the emergency services, council, voluntary services. It's been a massive team effort and I'm just so proud of everyone today.
Rolling out the vaccine across our region will take months, and in the meantime, some healthcare professionals recommend taking vitamin D.
It is estimated that 90% of people from BAME background are vitamin D deficient. And it is extremely important, my message to all the BAME population is very clear and loud, that please take adequate dose of vitamin D to protect yourself, develop your defensive immunity to minimize the severity of the disease.
Administering these vaccines is something staff at Royal Cornwall Hospital are delighted to do.
It's an absolute game changer. The more people we can get vaccinated, the quicker we can get back to some kind of normal life. If I was offered it today, I would have it, so I have no problems with it. But the thing to remember afterwards is that we're not out of the woods yet. So please keep your mask on, please keep keeping a distance and washing your hands, because that does need to continue.
Donna and Erin will be back here in 3 weeks' time for their second dose. Then, a week later, they'll be protected by the vaccine. Grace Pascoe, ITV News, Truro.